Welcome, Form 4, Physics, Topic 6, Optics, Notes, Lesson 4. Before you watch Lesson 4, you must have watched Lesson 1 to 3 to understand better. We continue on our convex mirror. Today's lesson, how to draw the image. First of all, I have drawn the convex mirror, this curved line, and the vertical line representing the convex mirror. Okay, this is the convex mirror. And then I have drawn the principal axis and the focus point F and the object O. The object I've drawn as an arrow. Now to draw the image, we are going to use two properties of light ray. What was the first one? The first one was any light ray that is parallel to the principal axis. This light ray parallel to the principal axis. If you notice, I draw until the straight line, vertical line. I did not draw until the curved mirror, but I draw only until the vertical line. And if you remember on the previous lesson, a light ray that is parallel to the principal axis, it will reflect as though from F. A light ray that is parallel to the principal axis, it will reflect as though from F. So how are we going to do this? We go to the point F, draw a line until the point on the vertical line. And this line, it must be broken. It must be broken. And then you just continue with a straight line using your ruler. So this is the property of light ray, the first property of light ray. So you watch a light ray parallel to the principal axis reaching the vertical line, it reflects as though from F. Now the second property was any light ray that is as though approaching F, it will become parallel. So I'm going to change color a bit here. Again, I go to the F, I draw a straight line until the object. Okay. Remember, the ray on the left hand side of the mirror must be broken. It must be broken. Okay. And this ray, which is as though approaching F, it must become parallel. It must become parallel to the principal axis, which was our ray 2, our second ray. The next thing you do, you take the ray 2, this one, you reverse back to the broken red line. You reverse back. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm reversing back. And you will notice the two broken lines intersect. Where they intersect is where the image is formed. Is that where the image is formed? So this is the image. This is where the image is formed. And of course, if you notice carefully, this is the intersection of broken lines. So intersection of broken lines is telling us that the image is virtual. How do we know it is virtual? Because it is the intersection of broken lines showing that it is virtual. Second, if you notice by looking at the diagram, that the size of the image smaller than the size of object. So first we had virtual. The first thing we had was virtual. Our first property, virtual, which I did in the previous lesson. Second was the size of image smaller than size of object. And you notice upright, the object is facing up the image also facing up. Object facing up, image also facing up. That means it is upright. So the three properties which I did on the previous lesson, that a convex mirror, its image is virtual, upright, size of image smaller than size of object. Okay, that's it. We have finished convex lens. To better understand, watch this more than once. And on the next lesson, I'm going to start concave mirror. On lesson 5, we are going to do concave mirror. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.